Good morning, seventh graders. It is Wednesday, and I'm making a recording here. Thought I had it done, but I did not, so I'm making it at the last minute here. So, see how this goes. Today, you are doing the scientific method, bikini bottom experiments. Basically, what happens is in these experiments, they go through and they set them up, and you have to go through and look at, like in flower power here, you have to find out what's wrong with the experiment. Remember that when we're doing a scientific method experiment, that we always only test one variable at a time. So you kind of watch out for those kinds of things like that. And then they'll ask here, what should SpongeBob do to test the effectiveness of the fertilizer? You make sure that when you're testing something, you always have a control to go to compare your results to see how the independent variable that you're testing, the one that you are manipulating, is how it's working. So that's this bikini bottom, and then there's another one here, super snails, and Gary is given some food or snacks to improve his brain power. And in the experiment, they had lots of people, different Gary, Larry, Barry, and Terry, all taking the snacks, and they want you to look at the data and determine if the experiment is working. And then on this one right here, you're asked to design a experiment to compare the bubble gum blowing power of several brands. So enjoy, have some fun with it, and I'm here if you need some help.